This tutorial will show you the best free online cloud storage for pictures completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to get a best free cloud storage for pictures online is type in this website here on the screen, trello.com/home. And basically, once it's open up and loaded, you want to create an account by going to the top right hand screen and click login or get Trello for free. In this case, I have an account, but again, you can sign in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account. Okay, so once Trello has been opened up and loaded, you want to go to the left hand screen and under the workspace, go down and then click right here, the first option where it says boards, and you can basically create a new board by clicking this, create a new board. Or you can even go down, it says all boards in this workspace, and you can do the same thing. In this case, I already have a board, the second option. So once you are done, you can click on your board. You can now add a list right over here, this third option. So you want to click this option where it says add another list. And then when you click over here, you can create from a template. You can create a new template if you want, but we're going to click add a card and name this whatever it is that you want in this example. And then you click on your card. As you can see now, you can add in different things. You can add an attachment, a cover, checklist, labels, etc. We're going to add an attachment. So as we can see, click on the description right here, and then we're going to go under, and then we're going to locate a picture, image, or photo. As you can see, you can drag the file as it's currently being uploaded right here on the bottom left hand screen. And as you can see, your picture, image, or photo has successfully been uploaded on Trello. You can save this, and you can even right click if you want, and you can download this completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.